Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back with another tile combination series to help you choose the perfect tile combination for your bathroom. So let's start. In this combination, we've used this 2x4 feet decorative vitrified tile for highlight purpose. This has got this geometric patterns that adds character and makes the space feel visually interesting. For the flooring, we have this 400 by 400 feet vitrified tile that is in brown color. It makes the bathroom feel grounded and makes it feel calm. And for the rest of the walls, you can go wild with the color selections because we have multiple colors available. Let me show you. With this texture tile, if you want to go for the walls, we have multiple options available. Have a look. This is the mock-up that we've created using those tiles. This is our subway with terrazzo combination. For the walls, we are using this 2x4 feet terrazzo tile, and for the highlight purpose, we have this sleek glossy subway tile here. For the floors, we are going to use this anti-skid vitrified tile in the size 2x2 feet. This combination doesn't just end here. We have many more options available in terrazzo and subway. Let's look at it. Have a look at our modern terrazzo tiles available. Not just green, we have many other colors available. Here we have made multiple options, keeping the geometric tile as the main highlighter. This one here is ceramic geometric tile in the size 300 by 600. This is going to be the highlighter. For the rest of the walls, we are going to use this vitrified tile in 2x4 feet. This is also having a marble finish. And for the floors, we have this 2x2 feet vitrified tile that is anti-skid tile. This is 300 by 600 mm ceramic KitKat tile, and along with this we've used this glossy finish marble tile in 2x4 feet, and to combine with that we've used this matte finish tile in 2x2 feet that is in vitrified tile. This is ceramic KitKat geometric tile in this blue shade, and this is having a glossy finish. And to combine with this, we have used this glossy finish tile in 2x4 feet that is having a marble finish. And for the flooring, we again have this anti-skid tile of 400 by 400 mm. You can mix and match however you want according to your style and choice. Mix and match our beautiful marble finish tile to create your own luxurious bathroom. From matte to glossy, we have geometric tiles in multiple textures and patterns available. This is the marble and geometric finish combination for your bathroom. Here we have used this geometric pattern tile in 2x4 feet size that is of vitrified tile. It gives your bathroom a modern touch. And to balance out the rest of the walls, we have used this marble finish tile in glossy finish that is also in 2x4 feet size. And for the floors, we have gone for this anti-skid tile of 600 by 600 mm. Here we put the geometric tile here, and the other part we have used the plain tile. Now to make the look very more classy, we have put this black border tile in between those two 2x4 tiles. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite combination, that is the tropicals. This tile is called Birds of Paradise. You can see coconut tree, parrot, peacock, banana tree and whatnot. And this is 2x4 feet tiles. This comes in A part and B part. And this literally looks like a painting on the wall. For the floors, we've used the 400 by 400 tile that is anti-skid tile, and for the rest of your walls, we have got that 2x4 feet tile that is in light green color. We have used tropical tiles of 2x4 feet and combined them with plain vitrified 2x4 feet tiles. And for the floors, we have used vitrified anti-skid tiles. For the bathroom, it's very crucial that you use anti-skid tiles for getting the grip underfoot. Here we have the latest collection of tropical tiles. You simply cannot resist yourself from looking at it. Relax and dive deep into the world of tropicals. This is two-tone marble finish combination. In this, we use two contemporary colors which effortlessly makes the bathroom look very luxurious. And along with that, we've used 600 by 600 mm vitrified anti-skid tile. This is marble finish 2 by 4 feet glossy tile, and along with that, we've paired 400 by 400 mm anti-skid vitrified tile for the floors. This is the minimal subway accent combination. So you can see that the wall tile that we've used is in grey color. It has a very minimal color, and for the floor we have used this 400 by 400 vitrified tile. Now this being in a very neutral color, we've added a very slim linear subway tile. This will act as a highlighter. We have covered the entire shower surround and wash basin area with this sleek subway tile, and at the side we've used this 2 by 4 feet tile, and for the floor we have anti-skid tile. This is texture tile combination. So here we've used two tiles of 2 by 4 feet, with one being textured and one being smooth. So the contrast that it creates is that your space feels subtle, yet it feels engaging. And to pair it up, we have this 600 by 600 mm vitrified tile to keep the base clean. So as I was telling you about this mock-up, we have divided it into two sections. One has the textured part and another one has the plain side. You can mix and match however you want. If you want, you can use the entire section with this textured tile, or you can keep this textured one at the top and the plain one at the bottom, however you want it. This is the collection that we showed you now, but you can go with whatever suits for your bathroom the best. This is warm wood with Moroccan and marble finish combination. Here we have used two 2 by 4 feet tiles, with one having wood finish and one having marble finish. Along with that, we've paired it up with these two Moroccan tiles of 300 by 300 mm size. So the benefit of using this combination is that you don't have to worry about the wood getting termites or getting swollen because of the water, and this combination gives your bathroom a very handcrafted charm. We have an amazing mock-up made out of these combinations. Let me show you. This mock-up looks old school but as well as modern. Just have a look how we have used the Moroccan tiles at the top, and for the base we have used this marble finish tiles, and for the flooring we have the wooden finish tiles. Explore our vast Moroccan collection. Check out our wooden finish tile collection that comes in multiple textures and patterns. Now we have warm earthy tile combination. In this combination, we have one textured tile that has got a beautiful design and pattern on it. The another one is a plain tile of the same color. They both are of 2 by 4 feet size, and it is made of vitrified tile. And to match it with it, we have this 400 by 400 vitrified anti-skid tile for the floors. The texture adds detail and movement to the wall, while the plain design keeps the look grounded. Here in this pattern tile, you get the same color available, but if you want, you can also go for a lighter version to mix and match and make it a light and dark combination. These are the color options that we have. Visit my tiles and mix and match tiles to make your own combinations. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.